Yeah, pardon the hair. Been out here welding. I had the helmet on all morning basically, but I wanted to do an update. Using this, I am welding on these. I'm making my trailer taller. Now, when it comes to the Tomahawk and steel, like I've seen a lot of people doing T-post steel, and what I've found is run 1/116 at 50 amps, and it will stack on this without completely obliterating the post itself. I mean, there's some cleanup that needs to happen, but it holds strong. It holds tight. It does very little spatter. I've been welding for a while with regular larger welders. Oh hell, I've done MIG, a whole bunch of other stuff, but I mean, this is just a dump trailer, so it just has to hold garbage in, and I mean, this thing is stout already, and I'm going to be doing 2 more rows. I've got to cut up the notches in these to fit it in here, but running the running the 1/16 in here was fantastic. I tried larger on the T-post, but the T-post it's a different type of steel, so it melts easy. So I went to a lower level, lower amperage, and it stacks nicely. It works great. I'm not melted through, and every weld is solid. I mean, I am moving the entire trailer, but yeah, once that's done. But I ordered 12-inch wheels for here. I have to measure out the feet over here to get a spacer in, and that way it sits 2.5 inches taller, so it'll be there instead of down here. Just little things. But what I'll do is I'll hook up to my surveillance again and capture that tomfoolery, and you can see me in my overalls instead of my pants, because my pants got fallen down. That was embarrassing, getting halfway through a weld and your pants are around your ankles. So I mean, it is what it is, I guess. But yeah, a little bit more tinkering on the trailer and that'll be done, and then I can use the welder for other fun stuff, if so be. But see you later.